Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save Outlook emails as PDF. So for this, you have to go first on your Outlook, then select an email which you wanna uh, move as PDF. So I'll select this one randomly, then go for File. Now go to Print option. Now you can see there is an arrow, so click on it and go for Microsoft Print to PDF. Select it. Okay, after that you have to go for print over here and type a name. Okay, I'll name it PDF, then go for save. Okay, wait for it. Okay, now go back and wait for it. Okay, now go to your PC and go to documents, and you can see this PDF is here. So guys, this is how you can save Outlook emails as PDF. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.